If you've ever opened Instagram and felt overwhelmed by how fast everything moves, new trends every week, creators posting daily, brands popping up everywhere, you're not alone. Growing on Instagram used to be about hustle. Post more, work harder, stay online longer. But that era is over. Today, the creators who grow the fastest aren't working more hours, they're building systems powered by AI. And that's exactly what we're breaking down in this video. How you can use artificial intelligence to grow your account and turn it into a real income stream. Most people fail on Instagram because they don't know what to post consistently. They wait for inspiration. AI removes that barrier completely. You can ask AI to analyze your niche: fitness, business, beauty, motivation, travel, whatever you choose, and generate endless content ideas based on trends, competitors, and audience interest. It gives you real topics, carousel themes, storytelling angles, even series ideas that can last months. Instead of creating content from nothing, you're selecting from a smart strategy list. Your hook decides everything. People scroll fast. If your first line doesn't hit, your content dies. AI tools can generate dozens of hooks for a single post. Curiosity-based, emotional, educational, controversial, all optimized for engagement. You don't have to guess what will work. You test variations and let the data guide you. This alone can double your reach without changing anything else. Captions are more than words. They build trust. But writing every caption manually is exhausting. AI learns your voice and style. You tell it your tone: calm, bold, playful, inspirational, and it produces captions that feel human, not robotic. You refine instead of writing from scratch. Your content stays personal while your workflow becomes effortless. Reels are still the growth engine of Instagram, but editing is where most people give up. AI editing tools remove awkward pauses, add subtitles, insert background music, highlight key moments, and format your video perfectly. What used to take an hour now takes minutes. Your videos look cinematic without becoming a full-time editor. Carousel posts drive saves and shares, which tells Instagram your content is valuable. AI design tools create layouts, select fonts, balance spacing, and match your brand colors. Even if you've never touched design software, you can now produce polished, educational carousels that look like they were made by a professional team. Instagram is no longer just a social app. It's a search engine. People now type questions directly into the search bar. AI tools find exactly what your audience is searching for and help you include those keywords naturally in captions, bios, and posts. Your content stops being temporary. It becomes discoverable. Consistency is everything, but timing matters too. AI scheduling tools analyze your audience behavior and automatically publish when engagement is highest. You no longer chase the algorithm. Your system adapts to it. Growth becomes predictable instead of random. This is where most creators miss out on money. AI chat assistants can welcome new followers, answer questions, or recommend products, collect emails, and guide people to your offers automatically. Your inbox becomes a business engine, not a distraction. You make money while you're offline. Ebooks, templates, planners, guides, mini courses. AI helps you write, structure, design, and sell them faster than ever. Instead of asking, "What should I sell?" you build based on what your audience already engages with. Your content becomes market research. This turns your Instagram page into an asset, not just a profile. AI analytics track which posts grow followers, which ones lead to sales, and which topics your audience loves most. You stop guessing. You start making data-driven decisions. Growth becomes strategic, not emotional. Instagram growth isn't about grinding anymore. It's about building a smart system that runs in the background while you live your life. AI doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies it. And when creativity meets automation, growth and income stop being dreams. They become inevitable.